Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Ria Asep Sumarni and my partner is Muhammad Juliardi and then Fita Widiyatun and then Irnin Agustina Dwi Astuti and then Indica Yona Okyranida and the last Yoga Budi Bhakti. We are from Indraprasta PGRI University in Jakarta. Okay, in this opportunity, I would like to present MATLAB-based Physics Calculator alternative for learning media for work and energy concept. Point 1 is background. Physical learning. Learning about basic physics has been using the understanding of physics theories and without mentoring in the form of model and simulation to give student understanding. Dynamic is one of the concepts of physics that learn about the motion by looking at the cause. One of the dynamic material that students learn is work and energy. And energy material. Work and energy material require students to understand style. Physical understanding of dynamical can also be done with experimentation, but it takes time and is less effective if applied on campus. And then technology-based learning media. The development of information and technology today, one of support in terms of education. With use technology-based learning media will turn conventional learning into digital. A lot of learning media can be used to complement the using learning. One of them simulate media using MATLAB. One strategy for students to understand business, understand work and energy material is with simulation media using MATLAB, model, model and simulation that will be illustrated to provide a learning understanding of work and energy. And then MATLAB is very powerful tool for technical computing and simulation. And the last, when the application is complete, next testing and assessment. The application can help the student to understand or not. Okay, next two. Point two is the method. The research is a development using the 4G approach. Define, design, develop, and disseminate. Furthermore, the physics calculator test on the student taking the course of Fundamental Physics in Indraprasta PGRI University in Jakarta. Indonesia for academic year 2019-2020. Number of the user sample is 29 students. MATLAB-based physics calculator are created using MATLAB software through a multimedia development format that formula, simulation, and theory. Assessment by experts in the material and media validation, product agility is analyzed using a questionnaire instrument with a Likert scale. Product agility criteria is exposed in Table 1. This is the Table 1. This is the product agility criteria. This is a score, and this is the criteria. Okay, next. Point 3. Result and discussion. The creation of the MATLAB-based physics calculator is an innovation to make easier to make easier to resolve physical problem. One of them is physical calculator with work and energy. This physical calculator is designed to help students understand and solve the work and energy material. In this display of graphic user interface in Physics Calculator, Figure 1, the point A, this is the cover layout, and point B, menu layout on Physics Calculator. The figure of the cover display on the Physics Calculator, this is the cover, is named the calculator, usaha and energy, and then the menu. When indirect figure B so that the material menu will display an overview of a PC calculator that can be selected in the question box. This is the question box, can be selected in the question box. This menu can be used to calculate about the work, of potential energy. This is the work potential energy, and then the work of kinetic energy, and then kinetic energy, and then potential energy, and the last mechanical energy. It also can be filed in as input of the question to be counted. And then figure 2, this is display of physical calculator for the kinetic energy calculation. This is the figure above is the view of the physics calculator for kinetic energy calculation. In that view, can calculate the value of kinetic energy. This is for kinetic energy in this result, and this unit of kinetic energy, and then mass for kinetic energy. This is the result and unit of mass. And then velocity of object. Velocity of object, this is in the result. This is unit of the velocity. Depending on what is known in the matter of physics. Okay, next, media and material validation test from expert. The result of the material validation accurate and average value of 3.64, which suggests that the physical calculator deserved to be tested in school and can make created for broader material and graphic image are displayed. And then the result of media validation accurate and overall value of 3.43, which suggests that the physical calculator can be displayed so easy to use. The look of physical calculator packet more interesting for easy to read and understand. And the last, the student response of the physical calculator. The test of the product response was applied on 29 the student. Overall, the result of student response analysis indicated that this physics calculator is good for using in learning. This value is 3.1 out of 4. Okay, the last conclusion. The physical-based MATLAB calculator on the concept of work and energy can be used as physics learning medium. For media expert validation assessment is 3.43, and for material expert validation is 3.64. Overall, the result of student response analysis indicated that this physics calculator is good for use learning. Physics calculator to be one of the alternative learning media that can motivate student learning and active in class. Okay, thank you for listening. My elders, we have shared the beneficial for all or for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.